Today I'm showing you a very short video tutorial on how you can make this simple vintage hairstyle. A coronet braid, and it is much easier than it looks. For this hairstyle, I didn't use very many products. A comb, a hairbrush just to brush out my hair and smooth it, duckbill clips to hold some of the pieces in place, bobby pins, and some hairspray. The inspirations for this hairstyle are, of course, Esther Williams and also Rita Hayworth. I've seen some photos of her with this style braid as well. It's very understated, but so glamorous at the same time. Now, if your hair is on the shorter side or the thinner side and you can't get your braid to come all the way across, there are alternatives. You can use a hair piece. I can link a shop below for you to check out, or I have another video tutorial I can show you that's a version of the milkmaid braids, but you do it higher up and then you tuck the hair pieces under and pull them so the hair doesn't have to go as far. So I can show you that as well. You can prep your hair by brushing it. I'm just using my boar bristle brush to smooth everything out, just to make sure there are no tangles. And I've started to sort of guide the hair over to my right shoulder, where the beginning of the braid will form. Next, I'm grabbing my favorite Conair Lift and Tease comb just to smooth over the top even more. I'm using my hand as a guide and setting a small little wave at the temple and holding it in place with a duckbill clip. This is completely optional, of course. You do not have to be as picky as I am. I just wanted to ensure that there was a slight wave there. And I'm adding another duckbill clip going in the opposite direction to push that section of hair forward. And now that we have those clips in place, it kind of helps provide a bit of a base for the hair, and we can go back and smooth over that side section. I wanted it to look as neat and tidy as possible. And don't be afraid to hold that hair pretty taut. You're gonna wanna have some tension to start forming your braid. And if you have a handheld mirror, you can always use that to check before moving forward. Now you can create 3 even hair sections and begin your braid. Try not to position the hair going down. Rather, try to pull it out horizontal so that your braid will lift up nicely. And we're going to braid the hair all the way to the end. This is definitely a hairstyle I had wanted to achieve for a long time, but my hair just was not long enough, so I'm so excited to finally give it a try now that my hair has reached a length to where the end piece can be hidden behind the ear. The best part about this hairstyle is that there is absolutely no hair prep involved. You don't have to set your hair in rollers or use heat. It's just a perfect get ready and go hairstyle and can be done in less than 5 minutes. Once you braid all the way to the end, you can choose to either add an elastic, depending on if you feel that you need one. I'm just going to secure the hair flat with a bobby pin because I don't like the way the elastic looks and wasn't sure if it was going to show or not, and my hair is relatively thin, so I was able to just flatten it down with some bobby pins. And for this step, I just used 2 or 3 regular bobby pins. If your hair is really thick, you may want to use a hair elastic, and then you can always cover it with a hair flower. And now to pin the braid a little closer to my head so it feels nice and secure, I'm using some open hairpins or U-pins. And I'm smoothing down the sides with my rat tail comb with just a little bit of hairspray. And this style is also great when you're trying to go one more day before washing your hair. It'll keep everything nice and tucked and out of the way. You can accessorize this hairstyle any way you like. I'm just going to add some faux fall flowers to match my dress. And of course you can position your flowers however you choose. I'm going to cover that end piece since my hair isn't long enough to wrap around to the other side. and I'm just securing that flower with another bobby pin. I decided to add another flower to the other side to make a nice symmetrical style. What I love about this hairstyle is not only how simple and easy it is to put together, and it definitely channels that vintage vibe that I'm always trying to achieve. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Bye!